Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and go to your contact list. Now let's find the contact you want to edit and just tap on it. Tap on this big button Edit Contact and choose this camera icon. And now if you've got the exact person right in front of you, then you can choose Take a Photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So I will pick the second option. Let's tap on the gallery. Now let's find the photo you want to use and simply tap on it. And here from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So we can decide what will be visible after completing the whole operation. So if you are happy with the results, just tap on OK. Remember to tap on Save. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. Now let's get back. It is also visible on our contact list and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls from that number. So that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Xiaomi Mi 10T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.